So of course, stories on Snapchat and Instagram are fun, and obviously they are a feature that's here to stay. So I'm going to share with you how to use them to their full potential in order for your social media strategy to be a successful one. First, stories, of course, featured by Snapchat. They are a storytelling format that enables users to piece together photos and videos taken throughout their everyday lives. But after 24 hours, of course, these stories disappear. Today, Facebook, Instagram, and most recently YouTube have all rolled out their own version of stories. First, let me tell you how you should take advantage of polls within Instagram stories, because these polls are fun and it's a perfect way to get your audience engaged and hear their thoughts on any topic. Second, create behind the scenes footage. Stories, have proven that the value of authentic and uncut content in the eyes of audiences. So documenting your behind the scenes journey with stories could prove fruitful. If your audience could see the amount of hard work, for instance, you've put into an upcoming project, you'd be more likely to buy it from you or be your advocate. Third, increase web traffic using links in your stories. Instagram and Snapchat now allows users to embed links in stories. With this capability, you could link up merchandise you're trying to sell, your newsletter, or any other products to keep the cash rolling in. Four, use stories to tell an actual story, because storytelling is the backbone of all sales training and nothing changes for stories. Last but not least, incentivize the use of Snapchat geo filters. Your geo filter could showcase an event your company is hosting or a product launch or something different. In order to incentivize the use of geo filter, consider holding, for instance, a contest where participants take a screenshot of themselves using the filter, and then they can post it to Instagram and tag your brand in the photo for a chance to win a prize of your choice.